No, 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 no. She is wound up, huh? That's my guard dog. Yeah. There ain't nothing hurting about you. Supposedly, she's a healer and an Australian Shepherd mix, which is called a Texas. So her name is Texas, but she ain't no herder. She's an ass biter. And there's my baby hippo. Here's my special ed class, the old lady. And just drop off here, old baby hippo. She used to be active. She used to kill chickens.